You know, we live so much of our lives online, right? But are we actually protecting that life? It can feel like this huge, complicated job. But what if I told you that building like a digital fortress, one that keeps all your stuff safe, is actually just about a few simple habits? Habits that make a massive difference. So let's build one.
And that right there, that's the core idea. This isn't about getting all paranoid or anything. No, it's about empowerment. It's about you taking control, you know? Taking those deliberate steps to lock down your corner of the digital world.
Okay, so for the next few minutes, I want you to picture your digital life exactly like this. A fortress. I mean, think about it. It holds your most valuable stuff, your private messages, your photos, all your financial info. And just like any real fortress, it needs strong walls and some smart guards. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to build yours together, one simple habit at a time.
All right, first things first. Every single fortress needs a strong gate with a solid, unbreakable lock. Well, in our digital world, guess what that lock is? It's your password. This is your absolute first line of defense, and honestly, getting this one thing right is probably the most important step you can take.
Just look at the difference here. On one side, you've got the weak lock. You know the type, using password 123 for your email, your bank, your social media. The problem? If one of those services gets breached, everything else falls like dominoes. But then, look at the other side, the unbreakable lock. This thing is long, it's strong, and, this is key, it's unique for every single account. So if a break-in happens in one place, it stays there. It doesn't become a total disaster.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, how on earth am I supposed to remember dozens of crazy unique passwords? And the answer is, you don't. A password manager does it all for you. Seriously, think of it like a super secure digital vault. It creates and stores all these unbreakable locks for you. The only thing you have to remember is one single master password. It handles everything else. It's all the speed and security with none of the headache.
Okay, so a fortress isn't just about strong gates, right? It needs regular upkeep. And that brings us to our second habit. And this one is so simple. Just powering down your devices every night. I know it sounds basic, but you might be surprised at just how powerful this is. I mean, it seems almost too basic, doesn't it? You hold a button, you swipe the screen, big deal. But what's actually happening behind the scenes, well, that's a crucial security process. And trust me, it's about a lot more than just saving battery.
So check this out. Here's what happens. When you power down, your device finally gets the green light to install all those pending updates. And those updates are absolutely essential because they patch security holes that developers have found. Once those holes are patched up, boom, would-be attackers are locked out. It's really that simple. So the big takeaway here is this. Shutting down does two amazing things at once. First, it installs all those protective patches. And second, it disconnects your device completely from the internet, cutting off any way for an attacker to slip in while you're sleeping. It's like a nightly reset for your fortress walls.
All right, so we've got a strong gate, and we're doing our nightly maintenance. So what's next? Well, we need a second guard. I mean, think about it. You wouldn't protect a treasure chest with just one lock, would you? Your online accounts are no different. And this brings us to our third habit, the double check. The official name for this is multi-factor authentication, or MFA. But don't let the fancy term scare you. All it means is that even if a thief manages to steal your keys, your password, they still can't get inside. And why not? Because they have to get past that second guard, who's going to demand another form of proof.
And that second check can be something super simple. It could be that little code they text to your phone, right? Or a quick scan of your fingerprint or your face. It could even be a physical security key you plug into your computer. Any one of these makes it incredibly difficult for an attacker to get in, even if they somehow got your password.
So here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. Go into the security settings of your email, your banking apps, your social media, all your important accounts, and find that switch. Turn on multi-factor authentication. It literally takes a couple of minutes to set up, and it is one of the single most effective things you can possibly do to protect yourself.
Okay, so we've covered the 3 core habits for building out your digital fortress. Now let's put it all together into a simple action plan, something you can literally start doing the second this is over.
So here it is, your checklist. Number 1, make those passwords long and unique. Number 2, get a password manager to handle them all for you. 3, shut down your devices every day. 4, install updates right away, don't put them off. And number 5, turn on MFA everywhere you possibly can. That's it. That's your blueprint for a secure fortress.
And that really brings us right back to where we started. See? It's not about having to become some security expert overnight. Not at all. It's just about understanding that these small, consistent habits, they add up. They create real, powerful, big protection for your digital life.
So I'll leave you with this one thought. You don't have to tackle everything on that list all at once. Just pick one thing. Just one. So the only question left is, which habit are you going to start tonight?